Next, you will see photographs taken of the arson and vandalism to the neighbors' residences.
Hey y'all, did y'all call? What's going on?
How you doing?
Good, how are y'all? I'm Officer Russell. This is Joshua. He's a mental health counselor. He rides with us. What's
This is their house. My son has damaged their house. He's mentally ill.
He kind of burnt it, and then he tried to put the fire out with paint, and I guess he realized he was wrong halfway through.
He also threw some paint on the house next door.
And
they have it on video.
so he was shot, what, 8 years ago?
Yeah, he
In
was
the
shot.
face. So
He's
he's it's like schizo symptoms, but you know he's 28, can't be diagnosed. 30.
He does? Oh, yeah, 30.
Did he have any of these symptoms before he was shot?
I would say so, but
Where was he shot?
Shot in the face.
Okay, so maybe he has a traumatic brain injury? Is that
I
possible?
couldn't. He started falling apart after the accident. He stopped doing the follow-up visits and all that. So he's been downhill since that.
All right.
but he has like these moments where he was telling me he has moments where he feels like somebody's plotting against him, and then they told him that the person was in the house. So that's why he did what he did. And he always has these moments where he just has like these paranoid,
Sure.
like this, we call outbursts. Can be violent, cannot depend.
Did the fire happen this morning?
Yeah.
It did. And was something going on? Does he?
No, 1 o'clock in the morning.
It started at 1 o'clock in the morning?
He did it at 1:15 this morning. It's on camera. I was in this. We was in this.
Y'all were in there sleeping when he did this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I've tried to make an action before and they...
2701 Charlie.
2701 Charlie.
Start being probably 1 or 2 more units. Reference to 27 that tried to set the neighbor's house on fire. Please.
2701 Charlie, 10-4-10, 23. 908.
Parte order. Have you heard that before?
I think I have.
Okay, some paperwork that you can fill out and take to the court system. And they
No, you can send it from the call.
I haven't had one that the judge signs it, it comes back to us or patrol, and we serve it to him and take him to get him an assessment.
Is that different than the Baker thing?
It's just a different process to a Baker Act. It's still detaining someone for an assessment.
2701 Charlie.
Yeah.
So where's he at now? Where's his, I guess, mindset at now? Is he still having an episode?
But now that he saw the police pull up.
He realized too, not this reason. He told me once I was talking to my son, I said, Brian did what? He heard that. And he stopped and said, I had a fight with this girl, which is a hallucination.
Yeah.
And I said, did you hurt her? Nobody got hurt. And I said, what you do? He didn't tell me about the fight. They told me about the fight. But for him to cross over here, go on the property and set fire, it could be different. So.
Are there any weapons in the house, or does he have access to any weapons?
Number 427, check
No
in
guns or anything like that? Okay. And now let me ask you, what do you guys want to do about this?
check in 1077.
I'm gonna get it fixed. I'm gonna get it done. It's tomorrow.
I just wanted to get some help. Like, my kids, like I was telling you, he been here for 16 years.
Yeah.
She's been my neighbor for 16 years. So we witnessed, him getting into the accident, getting shot. We witnessed it. We lived it pretty much with her.
Yeah.
This is, like she said, it's not the first time he did something to my house.
Yeah.
But this could have been deadly.
Yeah,
Those are my
absolutely.
kids' rooms.
Absolutely.
So I'm more hurt than mad. Because my kids are innocent in the whole situation.
Yeah.
If it was a vehicle, I wouldn't care. Tell them my cause. But, like my kids right now.
And now he just threw paint on that house, correct? Do you know whose house that is?
She just moved like, what, 2-3 months ago?
Okay. Is she home right now?
No, she left.
She left?
Is that her house or rental property?
Her rental property.
All right. And I see some black marks on your house. Did he try to do that to your house this morning too?
Nah,
That was
From the grill?
That was the smoke thing.
Gotcha. Okay.
Mosquito.
All right. Well, give me just a second, okay?
Ryan, come here. You're gonna get dog bit. Get on the ground. Back up. Back up. You drop the knife. Drop the knife. K99, shots fired. Buckman and 25th. Buckman and 25th. Drop the knife. Drop the knife. I'm out with the suspect. He's still on the ground. Signal 18. Go ahead and start rescue 1068. Knife is still in his hand. 25th and Buckman. I am 1077.
26, 1039, the district.
Drop the knife.
Bravo 625 going 297.
Drop the knife.
Everyone show 721.
K99. Right here, right here. Stop, stop, stop. Summer, stop. Hey, come around. He's still signal 0. Hold on, that knife's still in his hand.
Drop that knife, man.
Drop the knife.
Drop that knife. Drop the knife.
Brian, drop the knife, man. We're trying to help you. We're trying to get you medical, buddy.
All right, just hold on for a second. This is gonna be the plan. Just you give me just over here, open the sign so we ain't got to crossfire. All right, this is gonna be the plan. I'm gonna move in. I'm gonna step on his hand to get the knife out. All right.
Hey, Roselle, you're gonna be our handcuffer since you got gloves.
I got some. All right, hold on.
Make sure they get a pathway.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Swing around. Swing around.
Just leave the knife right there, Mike. Put it right there.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put it right beside. So we can get in cuff.
Okay, let's get handcuffs on him. I know he's probably 7, but we got to handcuff him.
Yep. Hold on. Okay. I'm trying to get him on now. My hand's too damn sweaty. Anybody else can get him on.
Just roll him over.
Let's get 2 blocks out. Block it all off.
Crime scene detectives responded to the scene during the investigation and collected Gillis's knife from where it was placed after Gillis was disarmed.